Dembel Motorhome Model M is not just a vehicle. It's a moving luxury mansion on wheels. Priced at around $1.25 million, this ultra-luxurious motorhome is designed for people who want absolute comfort without compromise. Inside, it offers everything you would expect from a high-end home. A fully equipped kitchen, a modern bathroom, a spacious bedroom, and even massaging seats that turn long drives into a relaxing experience. Every detail is carefully crafted to deliver first-class comfort on the road. What truly sets the Dembel Model M apart is its integrated garage, a rare feature in motorhomes. This garage comes in 3 different size options. The smallest version is ideal for bicycles, while the mid-sized garage is perfect for carrying a smart car for city trips. For those who demand the ultimate luxury, the largest garage is big enough to fit a Ferrari California or a similar supercar. Built on a 3-axle Mercedes chassis, the motorhome combines power, stability, and smooth handling. It was officially revealed at the 2021 Düsseldorf Caravan Salon, where it instantly grabbed attention as one of the most luxurious motorhomes ever created. The interior design takes luxury even further. It's crafted by the same Italian design team behind Amel's Yachts, known for creating stunning yacht interiors. The result is a space that feels more like a luxury yacht than a traditional RV. Elegant, modern, and incredibly refined. Popular YouTube influencer Enes Yilmazer, based in Beverly Hills, recently showcased the Dembel Model M in detail, highlighting the version with the mid-sized garage. His tour gives a close look at how this motorhome redefines what luxury travel truly means. The Dembel Model M isn't just about travel, it's about traveling in absolute style. The Element Palazzo is widely regarded as one of the most decadent and expensive motorhomes in the world. Built by the Austrian company Marchi Mobile, which has decades of experience crafting luxury RVs, yachts, and even specialty trucks, this vehicle pushes the boundaries of mobile opulence. The Palazzo first made headlines in 2014 when Marchi Mobile launched a model they proudly called the world's most expensive RV. And yes, it was draped in gold, selling for an eye-watering $3 million. Even today, these extraordinary motorhomes start at $3 million, with additional customization options pushing the price even higher. Massive, imposing, and perhaps even slightly strange in appearance, the Element Palazzo is unapologetically bold. Inside, it offers furnishings, technology, and amenities that redefine luxury on wheels. For anyone with virtually unlimited funds and a taste for the outrageous, the Palazzo represents the ultimate mobile mansion, delivering extravagance unlike anything else on the road. The Marathon Coach Show. Coach 1332 is the ultimate expression of the millionaire lifestyle on wheels. Built on the H3 model chassis from Prevost, this luxury RV is meticulously designed and handcrafted by the skilled artisans at Marathon Coach, creating a vehicle that's as much a work of art as it is a mode of travel. From the outside, Show Coach 1332 is dazzlingly extravagant. Its flowing exterior features curves of light and dark tan over a rich ebony base, accented with subtle wisps of cream. The effect is elegant, conveying both grace and comfort even before you step inside. Inside, the coach is designed to maximize interior space and luxury. The Grand Cayman floor plan takes full advantage of the slides, creating a cavernous living area filled with amenities. The master suite offers complete privacy with a clever air pocket door, while the rear super bath features a large shower with a privacy glass door, double vanity sinks, and a stacked washer-dryer tucked behind the commode. The living space is equally impressive. A huge salon with a fireplace, a stylish split galley, and a cockpit deck with bright leather seating and dark bamboo flooring create a sophisticated and inviting atmosphere. Every detail, from materials to layout, has been carefully chosen to deliver comfort, style, and convenience. Show Coach 1332 isn't just an RV, it's a mobile mansion, perfect for those who want the pinnacle of luxury and freedom. With every amenity you could dream of and the craftsmanship to match, This motorhome sets a new standard for traveling in style. For anyone seeking a dream home on wheels, the Marathon Coach Show Coach 1332 is the ultimate choice, where opulence, comfort, and design come together to create a truly extraordinary experience. Step inside the MV-12, the personalized motorhome of Maverick Viñales, and you enter a true mobile haven. This luxury RV isn't just a vehicle. It's a custom-designed oasis that travels with the renowned MotoGP star as he crisscrosses the globe for race weekends. Every detail of the MV-12 has been tailored to meet Maverick's specific needs and lifestyle, making it as functional as it is luxurious. On the outside, the MV-12 showcases sleek, modern design and cutting-edge aesthetics, reflecting the high-performance world of professional racing. But it's the interior that truly sets this motorhome apart. Inside, comfort and functionality meet personalized touches, creating a space that is both practical for life on the road and welcoming for downtime between races. The MV-12 features carefully planned living areas, smart storage solutions, and technology that keeps everything Maverick needs at his fingertips. From relaxing after a race to preparing for the next, this mobile sanctuary seamlessly blends luxury, convenience, and style. This motorhome offers an exclusive glimpse into how a top-level athlete balances the intensity of the track with off-track life. For Maverick Viñales, the MV-12 isn't just transportation. It's an essential part of his racing lifestyle, combining comfort, efficiency, and elegance into a next-generation smart motorhome built for speed, travel, and living well on the road. German luxury motorhome manufacturer Morello has unveiled exciting details for its 2023 lineup, introducing new layouts across its popular Loftliner series and debuting a new flagship model, the Grand Empire. While images are still pending, enthusiasts can expect full visuals and specifications in the upcoming November issue of MMM. The Grand Empire is a true giant among luxury motorhomes. Measuring 12 meters in length and weighing 26 tons, it offers a payload capacity of over 11 tons, making it as practical as it is luxurious. At the heart of this mobile palace lies a 12.8-liter Mercedes engine delivering 530 brake horsepower, mounted on a robust Aerox chassis designed for both power and stability. One of the standout features is the rear garage, which is spacious enough to carry a Mini Cooper, perfect for city driving once the motorhome is parked. Morello has also equipped the Grand Empire with a steering third axle, improving maneuverability on highways and tight turns. This design reduces the turning circle and minimizes overhang when navigating narrow roads, making such a massive vehicle surprisingly agile. Inside, the Grand Empire promises the signature Morello luxury. Elegant interiors, premium materials, and layouts designed for maximum comfort and convenience. New rear lounge layouts have been added to the overcab range, giving travelers more options for relaxing or entertaining guests in style. The 2023 Morello lineup, led by the Grand Empire, continues the brand's tradition of blending luxury, power, and engineering excellence. From city streets to open highways, these motorhomes are built for those who want to travel without compromise, combining practicality, innovation, and indulgence into one unforgettable mobile experience. The Grand Empire is not just a motorhome, it's a 12-meter luxury lifestyle on wheels. The Newell Coach P50 is a motorhome built for people who live life at the highest level: celebrities, top executives, and those who demand privacy, power, and prestige. With around-the-clock security features and a price tag close to $2 million, this RV isn't meant for the average traveler, but it's definitely something we can all dream about. Created to celebrate Newell Coach's 50th anniversary, the P50 represents half a century of craftsmanship and innovation. The company has been building luxury motorhomes for over 5 decades, and this model stands as one of its most ambitious creations yet. Often referred to as a home on wheels, the P50 delivers both luxury and performance in one massive, beautifully engineered vehicle. One of the most impressive aspects of the Newell Coach P50 is its collaboration with Porsche Design. Porsche played a key role in shaping the exterior body style, giving the motorhome a sleek, modern, and powerful appearance that feels more like a luxury sports machine than a traditional RV. Unlike many manufacturers, Newell builds its own chassis and body, allowing for unmatched quality control and structural strength. Every P50 is built to order, meaning no two are exactly alike. Buyers can fully customize the interior layout, materials, technology, and finishes to match their personal taste. Inside, the motorhome features a full bedroom, a luxurious bathroom, premium living spaces, and cutting-edge technology throughout. Everything is designed for comfort, privacy, and long-distance travel without sacrificing style. According to Newell Coach President Carl Blade, the P50 is not just custom-built. It is custom-engineered for each individual customer. From performance to interior flow, every detail is tailored specifically to the owner's lifestyle. The Newell Coach P50 isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of success, freedom, and uncompromising luxury on the open road. The Furrion Elysium is not your average luxury motorhome. It's designed for moments when you want to take your entire lifestyle with you wherever you travel. Built by Furrion, a design and technology company known for working across yachts, TVs, architecture, and industrial design, the Elysium represents their bold vision of an ultra-premium RV. This massive motorhome sits on a 43-foot-long chassis and is packed with features that sound almost unreal. Inside, you'll find a hot tub, massive 75-inch 4K TVs, and living spaces that feel more like a luxury penthouse than a vehicle. But the most shocking feature sits on top, a rooftop helipad. If the road can't get you where you want to go, the Elysium makes sure the sky can. The exterior design is just as striking as the interior. With its heavy-duty, futuristic look inspired by giant robot anime, the Elysium feels powerful, bold, and completely different from traditional RVs. Expected to enter the market in early 2019, the Furrion Elysium pushes the limits of what a motorhome can be. It's not just transportation, it's luxury without boundaries. When the Austrian team at Marchi Mobile unveiled their outrageous $3 million Element Palazzo, it was instantly labeled the coolest luxury RV on the planet. But as trends evolve, a new year brings a new champion in extreme luxury travel, the Heat, created by Anderson Mobile Estates. The Heat is not just a trailer. It's a two-story mobile estate designed to deliver the experience of a true five-star luxury hotel on wheels. This is the kind of vehicle built for people who want maximum comfort, privacy, and prestige wherever they go. Inside, the scale is almost unbelievable. The Heat offers around 1,200 square feet of living space, making it feel more like a modern mansion than something meant for the road. It includes conference rooms for business meetings, allowing owners to work in complete comfort while traveling. The fully equipped kitchen rivals that of a luxury home, while the master suite provides a private retreat with premium comfort. In addition, there are multiple guest bedrooms, ensuring that family, friends, or staff can travel in style. The trailer also features multiple high-end bathrooms, each fitted with spacious showers. Large flat-screen TVs are placed throughout the entire interior, so entertainment is always within reach, no matter where you are inside the estate. Luxury is visible in every detail. The entire interior is finished with premium leather, elegant oak wood, and polished marble surfaces, creating a rich and sophisticated atmosphere. Nothing feels ordinary. Every element is designed to impress. Security is equally advanced. The Heat comes equipped with a 24/7 video surveillance system that provides full 360-degree monitoring, offering complete peace of mind wherever the journey leads. The Heat isn't just about travel, it's about living without limits, bringing elite luxury wherever the road takes you. The Homtruck H from Forazon Auto, G's commercial vehicle brand, is a cutting-edge, eco-friendly semi-truck designed for the future of transport. Built on a modular architecture, the H-Truck is set to hit the roads in early 2024 and offers multiple powertrain options, including range extender, methanol hybrid, and fully electric, with a convenient battery swapping system. Quick charging at service stations ensures minimal downtime, making it ideal for long-haul operations. The H-Truck is not only powerful and efficient, but also smart and connected. It integrates with logistics networks and big data platforms, enabling real-time order optimization, delivery tracking, and cost calculations, helping fleet operators work smarter. Advanced L4 autonomous driving allows hands-free operation on highways, while convoying features simplify longer journeys, improving safety and efficiency. Inside, the H-Truck combines work, life, and comfort in one mobile space. The cabin features a driving cockpit and a living area, complete with a bathroom, single bed, refrigerator, tea maker, kitchenette, and even a compact washing machine. It's a space where drivers can rest, work, and recharge while on the road. By blending sustainable power, advanced technology, and livable design, the Truck H completely redefines what a semi-truck can be, transforming it from a simple vehicle into a fully equipped, intelligent, and mobile workspace for the modern driver. The Volkner Mobile Performance S is a luxury motorhome that completely redefines what traveling in style means. With a price tag of around $2.4 million, this incredible machine isn't just built to move people. It's designed to transport a supercar, including something as extreme as a Bugatti Chiron. Volkner Mobile, a German manufacturer known for creating some of the most luxurious motorhomes in the world, understands its audience well. If you can afford a multi-million-dollar motorhome, there's a good chance you also own a high-end sports car. The Performance S is built exactly for that lifestyle. One of its most impressive features is the hydraulic underfloor garage. Instead of towing a separate trailer, the owner simply drives the car onto a platform. With the push of a button, the platform smoothly slides underneath the motorhome. No straps, no tie-downs, and no extra trailers. The car is securely stored inside the vehicle itself. The exterior design is bold and elegant, finished in a striking deep eggplant purple color that instantly stands out. When parked, a slide-out wall expands the living area, creating even more interior space and comfort. On the roof, solar panels work alongside an enormous 800-amp battery system, allowing the motorhome to operate efficiently and independently for long periods. Inside, the Performance S offers a beautifully designed interior filled with premium materials, advanced technology, and a layout that feels more like a luxury apartment than a motorhome. Every detail is crafted to deliver maximum comfort, style, and convenience. The Volkner Mobile Performance S isn't just about travel, it's about freedom, engineering excellence, and carrying your luxury lifestyle wherever the road takes you.